What's up guys, welcome back to another video, and today I'm going to do a guitar tutorial on XXXTentacion's Carry On the guitar. I'm going to be putting a picture of the chords on the screen because I don't know the name of the chords, so yeah, so I'll just play the chord and then I'll put it on the video. So the first chord is going to be on the 5th fret, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then it's going to be, you bar it, and then these two right here, and then you're going to want to strum it. When you pluck it, I mean, you're going to want to pluck this first string, the 3rd string, 4th string, and then the 5th one. So then together when you pluck it should sound like, and then you just slap your hand down or whatever to stop it. The next chord is gonna be up here in the 2nd fret, and it's gonna sound like this. For this one, you're gonna want to pluck the 2nd string, the 3rd string, the 4th string, and the 5th string. It should sound like this. The last chord, this is the most easiest chord. You're just gonna go to the 4th fret and you're just gonna bar the whole thing. So just put whatever finger you feel comfortable doing and just bar all the notes down. For this note, you're gonna want to pluck the 1st string, the 3rd string, 4th, and 5th. So it should sound like this. So all together, the song should go like this. Alright, thanks for watching my video. Like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks. Bye.